Hi everybody, I'm Hanna Bushi. I studied at Tsvetan Dimov and I'm the coordinator of this Activity Idea Fusion Center. This Activity Idea Fusion Center was the best experience I had because I met with a lot of people that were not my age. We're Turkish people, Macedonian, Albanian. We're all humans, but everyone is different. So everyone was sharing different ideas and I was like, how can we managed to be in one place? Like everyone is different and we're all in a Zoom meeting, and I was just like, that's really good. I can see different perspective of life. They were just like younger than me, everybody, and I was like, they will be like childish ideas, but no, everything was like, ooh, so big. Ideas in school that I never imagined in my life, and I was like, they are young people that can have ideas more than me. I learn from them. Every day I learn from projects. We've made a lot of conversation, discussed there, and for Earth Day, everything. It was just crazy. Like from school, from Zoom meetings, to understand, to benefit that much is just so good. We've worked a lot of projects together and we see benefits. It's the first time that we see something happening that we like. We got everything that I wanted. School is something that we go every day. It's like our second home. So our walls in school were just white and gray. And like every day, every student said that, what is this? We just have windows for light. And when this activity came, I was like, the only thing that I can do the best for my school is just like to give a little life to school. So we started painting with light colors. Everything was very beautiful. And we started with our friends of school. We started to paint, to draw everything, quotes, and everything is as how we dreamed about it. And we're working on it still. We're painting, and our school is 100% better than how it was. After I will go from that school, the other students will have the benefit. Their school will be better, prettier, everything beautiful. And I think it benefits not just me and professors and everyone, director in school. When they see us working, they're happy because a young generation is doing something. We are not just staying in school studying and going home and again coming. This is something that everyone uses, not just me. It's not benefit just for me, but for all. We are every day fighting with newness. Like this pandemic time, everything is new for us. Like school, online school, everything was so new. We didn't know about that ever. We never heard it. And we are having a lot of challenges this time. It's a different system. Everything is changing to technology. And we just need confidence more. So we need to make these activities to feel ourselves alive. To see that it's not like just school, just work. There are a lot of things different in this life, so we can change something, and I really appreciate it. They helped me like so much. Before that, I read a lot of books for body language, how to talk, how to motivate myself, to not have fear in front of so many people. I read a lot of books, but when Marina had a project telling us how to be independent, how to tell our ideas, everything in front of everybody. And I listened to her and I really just have it in my mind right now, like she's talking, and I use it every day. Like today I was in school with my grade, everything, and I was just like using it. I'm strong, I'm everything that I learned, and I'm so happy about it. I think the best motivation for them is like seeing us working on it, like having these activities so they see that something is happening, people are working on it, and it's happening. It's not happening by itself, so they should share their ideas because any idea is important. We need those so we can make changes. Without ideas there will be nothing. So they need to do something, to start from their self, to have confidence, to share their ideas and to work on it, to never stop.